Today's been good. A lot of great minds in the room. You've got expertise, multiple industries. You've got the, I think, good speakers, good topics. I think it's turning out to be a really good day.
I think just the opportunity to meet colleagues that are working with the same area and the same kind of job is really important. Now we're going to have the breakout sessions and be able to discuss and interact and share our experiences a bit more. And I think that's how we learn.
Intelligence today is important because it has a good mix of subjects from the speakers, and also the participants tend to be very experienced in the field, which makes networking at the Intelligence Day also an important aspect of the conference.
I thought today was really good because it gave this big picture and it started with an international perspective on intelligence work, and then it proceeded with some best practice. This is how you should be doing it, how you go from insight to innovation and strategies.
I think for me the Nordic Intelligence Day is one of the best platforms where you can meet peers in a time where a lot about the profession of a competitive intelligence professional is changing, and hence one needs to understand what is changing and how do I go about learning the new skills working with artificial intelligence.